Looking for a queen. No queen here. Understandable. Let's see if she's even been released. This is Thursday. Put her in Wednesday night. So they're still pretty pissy. Probably extra pissy because it just rained. And I keep forgetting my hive tool, which is not good, because it means I have to dig in with these gloved, huge fingers. Oh. Okay, so that's the first challenge right there. I know I'm supposed to wait a little longer, but I really want to make sure she's okay, because if she's getting bald somewhere, they definitely released her. She's no longer in the cage. Let's see if we can find her. Nope, not here. I really hate daylight savings time also. Have I stated that yet? It gets dark at 5:30 now. It's kind of ridiculous. So there's the cage open. Lots of bees. As soon as I find her, I'll stop. My God, it's so dark. Hopefully it's not so dark for you. It's getting pretty dark here for me. It's not exactly warm. Okay, so she's not here. Come on, girls, don't kill her. Please don't kill her. They're hopelessly queenless if they killed her. And I'm out quite a bit of money. Nope, she's still in the cage. And they didn't kill her. So what's the deal? Oh. Well, I'm glad I found it, because I think the sugar collapsed. And they can't get out. They're still in there. Okay. So, yeah, that's really weird. Okay, so let's calm these girls down. I'm really hoping this isn't a bad idea. Okay, so there goes the cork. why is there just... Now there's something clogging the frame. It's like, you know, or the hole. I think it's a piece of cork. Now, let's get this piece of cork out of the way. Okay. I do have a screen introduction cage that I might need to use. Come on, girl. Come out. Okay, here she comes. Guess I'll have to use this frame. Didn't really want to, but guess that's how it's gonna go. Okay. Man. It has just been a wreck. Absolute wreck. Now she finds the hole. Love it. Now what I want to do now they're tending to her. They're not. Man, she just loves this. She loves being in the cage. Just loves the cage. Apparently. Here she comes. Okay, come on, Queen. She's moving pretty slow. I hope that she hasn't been stung. Oh, just a little piece of fuzz. They are feeding her. Climbing on her. But they're trying to feed her. I don't see aggressive behavior. Okay, well, I guess we'll have to check her in a little while. I think she's getting chilled. Let's hit them with a little bit more of this. And we'll check back in a little while. Alright, so this has been a slow direct release, I guess. But I'm glad I looked, because she probably wouldn't have gotten out of there. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll follow up in a few minutes here, see if they're still being nice.